What's the crack, folks? So I'm at the moment maneuvering a twisty road up Tady Mountain. We are looking for a waterfall. We've been up here hiking before, myself and the Persian princess Sahar, and we found a spot that looks like when the snow melts and when there's water running down the mountain, that there could be a lot of water coming through. We could be right, we could be wrong, but it looked like a really nice spot where there's a waterfall. We have been there before and found the kind of part of where the waterfall was, and there was a small little drizzle running down, but it was in the middle of the summer. So we're going to try now and see what it's like. So guys, if you do like our content, don't forget to like,
subscribe
and hit that bell for further notifications. Guys, I hope you're well, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, The MacMaster. Guys, let's do this!
I was out there alone, moving from station to station. I've been searching for the right one, but I was ready for something more.
Okay folks, so we are on our way. We're looking for the waterfall. We've come down this nice dirt track in the car. Hopefully we don't hit anything big that damages the car, but giving it a go anyways. The views are spectacular. We're above the clouds. I'll give you a quick look at the views. You get a taste of how beautiful it is up here in Tady, up where just took a right off Vilaflor. I'll leave a pin location for where we are in the description below. Okay guys, we're going to carry on. Enjoy.
See you soon.
See you soon. See you soon. I'll be back.
Something more. Something more.
Come on guys, you were supposed to come with us.
Still run. Come on, be cool. It's our time. Let's move.
I'm going to leave Sahar in the jungle. She's going back to live with the wild. See you later, Sahar. I'll pick you up in a year. I better bring her with us. That's not an advertisement for Hyundai. That's just how dusty this road is. You can see the car is nice and dusty. Sahar's full of enthusiasm. Okay guys, so we're in a nice little...
Hi guys.
Who's this lady? Snuck up on me. We're up in the mountain. It's absolutely beautiful up here. This is a nice little park. You can come up here, have picnics and stuff like that. Really, really nice. Away from the south, it's up. I'll actually put a pin location in the link below as how you get here. But it is a bit of a drive. And as you can see, my car got covered in dust. Are we keeping you awake? Nice one, guys. We're going to go up and see if we can find this waterfall. It's called Madre del Agua.
Madre del Agua.
Madre del
Agua. So basically, Madre del Agua.
Madre del Agua. We're going to go and see, is a waterfall there. See you shortly. So we were, unfortunate enough, there's no big waterfall here that we were hoping for. Is there, Sahar?
No, nothing.
There's bits of water here. I'm going to give you a quick look now of, you know, where we expected the waterfall to be. Okay guys, so as you can see, that's the most of the water. And if I'm going to show you down here, you can actually see down where we would expect the water to flow down. Still beautiful here, and I know there's another little waterfall a bit further up. I'm going to check it out. You can see there down. Here we are. Water where we thought we'd find it down below, but we have found a waterfall. We were here before, but we were hoping to be more water further on down because of the snow and that. But it's really, really beautiful. So I'm going to give you a little look at the waterfall down here. What do you think, Sarah?
Yeah, that's amazing. This water is really cold.
Yeah, really cold.
Yeah.
And you need it because it's a bit of a hike up to it.
Yeah.
You get an old sweat on, don't you?
Yeah, yeah. But I mean, now it's not, comparing to the summer, we did the same hike. I mean, today we didn't do the hike, but in the summer it was really hot.
Yeah,
warm, and
we did like a 4-hour hike, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
so
now it's just nice and cool. You know, it's just a little bit cool, so it's not that warm.
So we're gonna go down and have a look, and you guys can have a look.
Yeah, come with us.
Okay, so we didn't find the waterfall we wanted, but it's still really, really beautiful here. It's a small waterfall if you're talking about waterfalls in Ireland or the UK, but it's still beautiful here in Tenerife. You wouldn't think you're in Tenerife being here. You imagine beaches and all that, but it's just absolutely stunning. Give you some cinematic shots of this little waterfall. Enjoy, guys. Are you enjoying it, Sahar?
I just love it, but you know what, this water is that cold, you can't even, don't want to put your finger in it.
There you go. Don't want to put your finger in it. But the last time we were here, we actually got into it.
Yeah.
But we're not going in today. We were roasting because we've been hiking so far.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So guys, enjoy. folks, how are you doing?
Hello everyone.
We're on our way back down to the car. I enjoyed that. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, it's just lovely.
Really beautiful. A little bit tougher hiking up here because a little less air, but it's beautiful.
Yeah, but you know what, comparing doing the same hike in the summer, it was amazing.
Yeah, the
Amazing.
summer was super hot, wasn't it, when we were up here?
Oh my god.
But guys, yeah, it's beautiful. We're heading back to the car, back to the dusty car. Talk to you in a while.
Talk to you in a while. Respetamos la naturaleza. So guys, it means let's respect the nature. Yep.
Peace, be still, my darling. All is well, my darling. Your anxious heart may as well be stone. Oh, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Yeah, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Be still, my darling. All is well, my darling. Your anxious heart may as well be stone. Oh, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Yeah, it weighs you down deeper than you know.
It's a little pit stop for some food. Better put our masks on and let's grab something to eat, baby, yeah?
Yes. Happy me.
Good. Have you got your mask?
Yeah, I've got.
Okay, we got to pop them on. Talk to you in a little while. Change your plan. We're not going to go and have something to eat. There's no crack in that place. It's hard trying to stay warm.
Freezing! My god!
Alright folks, how are we doing? We're just back down from the mountain. Obviously, as you can see, nice dirty car after all the dust tracks. Thanks for joining us on this vlog. It wasn't a waterfall we were looking for, but we did find a waterfall. Do you have anything to say, Sahar, before we wrap up?
Yeah, it was lovely. It was cold.
It was definitely cold.
Yeah.
But that's why
it was good. It was good. I mean.
It was good, yeah.
Yeah.
But it was the restaurant that we went to above. It was just too cold when we went to sit down.
My
We're
God,
like
freezing.
Yes. So we came down here, had something quick to eat, and guys, we hope to see you on the next vlog. Don't forget to like,
subscribe,
and hit that bell for further notifications. Guys, also follow us on Facebook, the MacMaster, and also the Instagram as well, guys. Guys, we look forward to seeing you on the next one, and remember, keep it country.
And if you take it,
no, if you get it,
take it twice.
If you get it, take it twice. It's the last time I'm getting her to finish off my lines. What did you call me?
Captain Haddock.
Captain Haddock.
Especially when you do boom, 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 boom.
This is Sahar giving out to me.
I don't see Captain Haddock.
Captain Haddock. I don't think so.